Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics for your dropshipping store, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Analytics for your dropshipping store, start by creating a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and click on the Start for Free button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have one. Once signed in, click on Set Up Property to begin the setup process. Enter your store's name and select the reporting time zone. Next, choose the currency that matches your store. Click on the Next button to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll need to provide some business information. Select the industry category that best fits your store. Indicate the size of your business by choosing from the options provided. Click Create to generate your property. Review the Google Analytics Terms of Service and Data Processing Amendment. Accept the terms to continue. Once your property is created, you'll be directed to the Data Streams screen. Click on Add Stream and choose Web from the options. Enter your dropshipping store's URL and name your stream. Click on Create Stream. A new screen will appear with a measurement ID at the top. You'll need this ID to connect Google Analytics to your store. Now, log into your dropshipping platform, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. In your store settings, locate the Analytics or Tracking section. Find the option to add a Google Analytics tracking code. Paste your measurement ID into the required field. Save the changes on your store platform. To verify the connection, return to Google Analytics. Open the real-time report in your Google Analytics dashboard. Visit your dropshipping store in a separate browser window. You should see your activity reflected in the real-time report. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Google Analytics for your dropshipping store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.